What you doing?
Stuff.
What you installing?
PlayStation.
What kind?
Simplex 2099 9756.
And what's that one?
Simplex Truler.
What you got going in here? Put up some drywall in the shed?
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Okay, I'm gonna plug it in.
Is it really hooked up?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was just for show. Turned out it's hooked up for show. Well,
If I had a panel, the strobe would flash more, and there would be.
why'd you shut it off so fast?
Because it's annoying. Oh god, I lost the key. Where's the key?
Ah!
I used the Cat 30 key. I couldn't find the beacon.
So it only
the Cat
does
30
the strobe when you put the key in. That's weird.
I don't know if it's set on free run right now. I can check.
Cool.
It'll be very fast. That's what the inside of it looks like. I don't know if the free run switch is on. I'm gonna get the tiny screwdriver and check. It's on free run, but I'm gonna turn that off and see what happens. I don't think it's gonna change it though. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it didn't do anything. I don't know why it's doing that.
Alright, well, it's kind of late. You can figure it out another time. You got homework to do and stuff.